Hello, Tom Caldwell here with TomCaldwellOnline.com, where you learn to earn money online without wasting time and money. I appreciate you coming back to the channel. Today's lesson is part of a YouTube playlist entitled What I've Learned Today. And our title or lesson for today is about getting tons of views on YouTube. So let's get right into it. Top secret tips for generating tons of views on YouTube. Kat Sullivan shared these tips with me via email, and you can visit her website at marketingsolved.com. Tip number 1, for each video, create a blog post on your website with the same title. Tip number 2, take the YouTube video and embed the video code on your blog post. Tip number 3, optimize the blog post article for SEO using high quality keywords. Tip 4, share the blog on social, share it on Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook groups, and share it everywhere. Conclusion, the views that you drive to the blog post count as YouTube views as well. This means that along with YouTube giving you views from its algorithm, you are actively increasing your views as well. Which also means that you'll have more views and engagement, and YouTube shows your video to more people. Getting even more views, it's literally a view snowball, and you are the one winning. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And finally, here is an example of how to share your blog post on social media. You can you can put this link into your search bar and it'll take you right to the training video and blog post. All right, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.